Tired of using extension cords with your fillet knife? Boy, do I have a product for you. This is Mellif's new 12-volt fillet knife. Now this guy's pretty sweet. Right out of the gate, as you can see, it comes with a really nice hard case, which I really like. It makes storing this guy really nice and easy. So all I have to do is pop these two clips open, and then we'll see what we got inside here. So this box is jam-packed of goodies. So as you can see, we have the two 7-inch knives, and then it also comes with two 9.5-inch knives, and it also comes with the instructions. And then right here is the fillet knife itself. So if we just take this package off, as you can see, it's yellow and it's got a nice black rubber grip on it, and it's got a really nice feel in the hand. And as you can see, we have our trigger there, and it also has a lock on it, so I really like that feature. And it also comes with a charger for the batteries. Now this charger is really nice and low profile. As you can see, it comes with two 12-volt batteries, and this guy will cut for an hour on each battery. So as you can see right there is the charging port, and both the batteries are the same. And as you can see right here, we just plug in a 3.5 millimeter jack, and we're ready to charge. And then you're going to want to make sure to charge this, and the light will turn green whenever it's fully charged. Putting the battery in is nice and easy. So let's take a closer look at one of these blades. So I got out one of the 9.5-inch blade. As you can see, it has a nice serrated edge on it, and it has the two knives on it. So if you slide this little guy back and then put each knife into its individual slot, you'll be able to put these guys in the whole way, and you'll be able to feel it lock and click, and we're ready to go. So as you can see, it's in there nice and tight. And as you heard, this guy is nice and quiet, and I really like the low profile design, and it really makes cleaning this guy nice and easy because you can take the blades right out. So let's go ahead and test this guy on some bread. So as you can see, cutting bread with this guy is really nice and easy, and I really like how effortlessly I can slice bread to whatever thickness I want, and it's actually a nice clean cut, and it really does a nice job of cutting it. This guy's definitely nice for carving up some fish, some turkey, whatever kind of meat you want. This guy will make your job a lot easier. And with the two batteries, that will give you up to 2 hours of runtime. So I really like how efficient this is. In 2 hours of runtime, you can get some serious work done. I highly recommend this fillet knife. And thank you, Mellif, for sending us this to check out. If you get this Mellif fillet knife, I definitely think it would be a perfect gift for any father that you have in your life, and he's definitely gonna love it. I highly recommend this 12-volt fillet knife.